Yes, Hamid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also very good.
Good. Now, please come here and give your presentation.
My name is Tasin Noor. My father name is Muhammad Aoudi Hossain. My mother name is Shabna Shurofi. My school name is Nudibari Government Primary School. I study in class 5. I am 3 years old. Favorite subject is English. My favorite person, my mother and my father.
Your favorite color?
My favorite color is golden.
What favorite food?
My favorite food is apple.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
What's your favorite habit?
My favorite habit writing.
Okay. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is the Holy Quran.
And your favorite and
My name is engineer.
what's your future plan?
Engineer. Scientist.
Science. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
What is it?